Ever wondered how a 77-year-old grandma stays steady on her feet? She's not popping pills or using a cane, she's mastering Tai Chi. This ancient practice is her secret to defying age and boosting balance. Meet Susan, a vibrant 77-year-old who transformed her life with Tai Chi. Once wobbly and afraid of falling, she now moves with confidence. Her story will shock you and inspire you to rethink aging. Falls are a leading cause of injury for seniors. 1 in 4 adults over 65 falls each year. Tai Chi, a gentle martial art, is changing that statistic. Rooted in Chinese tradition, Tai Chi blends slow, flowing movements with deep breathing. It's not just exercise, it's a mind-body practice. Susan discovered it at 74 and never looked back. Why does Tai Chi work for balance? It strengthens core muscles and improves coordination. Each move challenges your stability, training your body to adapt. Susan's journey began after a scary fall in her kitchen. She fractured her wrist and lost her confidence. Her doctor suggested Tai Chi, and everything changed. Unlike high-impact workouts, Tai Chi is low stress on joints. It's perfect for seniors or anyone seeking gentle exercise. Susan started with just 10 minutes a day. The science backs it up. Studies show Tai Chi reduces fall risk by 50%. It enhances proprioception, your body's sense of position. This keeps you grounded. Susan joined a local Tai Chi class at her community center. She was nervous but found a welcoming group. The instructor guided her through basic forms. Tai Chi isn't just physical. It calms the mind, reducing stress and anxiety. Susan says it feels like meditation in motion. Balance isn't the only benefit. Tai Chi improves flexibility and leg strength. Susan can now climb stairs without gripping the railing. She practices 3 times a week for 30 minutes. Consistency is key, she says. Even short sessions make a difference over time. You don't need fancy equipment, just comfortable clothes and a small space. Susan does Tai Chi in her living room or backyard, curious about the moves. Tai Chi forms like wave hands, like clouds, are simple yet powerful. They engage your whole body, improving stability. Susan's favorite is Golden Rooster, stands on one leg. It's a balance challenge that builds confidence. She laughs about wobbling at first. Tai Chi also boosts mental clarity. Focusing on each movement sharpens your mind. Susan feels more alert and present every day. It's not just for seniors. Tai Chi benefits all ages, from kids to adults. Its gentle nature makes it accessible to everyone. Susan's friends noticed her transformation. They saw her stand taller and move smoother. Many joined her Tai Chi class, inspired by her progress. The community aspect is huge. Tai Chi classes foster connection and support. Susan's group shares tips and encouragement weekly. Worried about starting late in life? Susan was too. But Tai Chi is beginner-friendly, with no age limit. You progress at your own pace. Online resources make it easy to start. YouTube offers free Tai Chi tutorials for beginners. Susan still watches them to refine her moves. Tai Chi also improves sleep quality. Susan used to toss and turn at night. Now she sleeps soundly, waking up refreshed. It's not about perfection. Susan stumbled through moves early on, but each session built her strength and confidence. The mental benefits are profound. Tai Chi reduces symptoms of depression. Susan feels happier and more connected to herself. It's also budget-friendly. No gym membership or pricey gear needed. A pair of sneakers and a YouTube video can get you started. Tai Chi's roots go back centuries. It draws from martial arts and Chinese philosophy. Yet, it's practical for modern life. Susan's doctor is thrilled with her progress. Her balance tests show marked improvement. She's no longer at high risk for falls. Even her posture has improved. Tai Chi encourages proper alignment. Susan stands taller, with less back pain. You might think Tai Chi is too slow to be effective. But its deliberate pace is its strength. Slow movements build muscle control. Susan's family is amazed. Her grandkids love joining her for Tai Chi. In the park, it's become a fun family activity. Tai Chi also lowers blood pressure. Research shows it rivals aerobic exercise for heart health. Susan's readings are better than ever. Starting is simple. Find a local class or follow online videos. Susan recommends beginners start with 5-minute sessions. Consistency beats intensity. Short daily practice trumps long sporadic sessions. Susan's routine proves small steps lead to big results. Tai Chi's flowing motions mimic nature. Think of water gliding over rocks. This imagery helps Susan stay focused and relaxed. It's also a social booster. Susan's Tai Chi group has become her second family. They share laughs and life stories. Worried about coordination, Tai Chi improves it over time. Susan was clumsy at first, but now moves with grace. The practice is adaptable. You can do it standing or seated. This makes Tai Chi ideal for those with mobility issues. Susan's energy levels have soared. She tackles daily tasks with ease. Tai Chi has given her a new lease on life. It's not just physical health. Tai Chi fosters mindfulness. Susan feels more in tune with her body and surroundings. The data is clear. A 2017 study found Tai Chi outperforms other exercises for fall prevention. It's a game changer for seniors. Susan's advice: start small and be patient. Progress comes with practice. She's living proof it's never too late. Tai Chi also aids joint health. Its gentle motions lubricate joints, easing arthritis pain. Susan's knees feel stronger than ever. You don't need to be fit to start. Tai Chi meets you where you are. Susan was out of shape but still sore. Results that the practice is safe. Injuries are rare, even for beginners. Susan's never had a single issue in 3 years. Tai Chi's versatility shines. You can practice indoors or outdoors. Susan loves morning sessions in her garden. It's also a stress buster. Tai Chi lowers cortisol levels, promoting calm. Susan feels centered even on tough days. Her confidence has skyrocketed. She no longer fears falling. Tai Chi has empowered her to live boldly at 77. Want to try it? Search Tai Chi for beginners on YouTube. Look for videos with clear instructions and slow pacing. Susan's transformation inspires others. Her neighbors now ask for Tai Chi tips. She's become a local wellness hero. The practice is timeless. It's been helping people for centuries. Susan's story shows its relevance today. Tai Chi also sharpens focus. Each move requires attention, training your brain. Susan's memory has improved noticeably. It's low risk and high. Tai Chi suits all fitness levels. Susan encourages everyone to give it a try. Her routine is simple. She practices in the morning for mental clarity. Evenings are for winding down with gentle forms. Tai Chi's benefits compound. The more you practice, the stronger you get. Susan's progress keeps her motivated. It's not a quick fix. Tai Chi requires commitment. But Susan says the results are worth every minute. She's even inspired her doctor. He now recommends Tai Chi to patients. Susan's story is changing lives beyond her own. Tai Chi's slow pace teaches patience. Susan applies this to life, staying calm under pressure. It's a mindset shift. The practice is inclusive. People with disabilities can participate. Susan's friend in a wheelchair loves seated Tai Chi. You can start today. No experience needed, just an open mind. Susan's journey proves anyone can do it. Tai Chi's global appeal is growing. Classes are popping up everywhere. Susan's town now has 3 weekly sessions. Her grandkids call her Super Grandma. They're amazed at her agility. Tai Chi has made her their role model. It's also fun. Susan laughs through her classes, enjoying the flow. Tai Chi feels like play, not work. The practice boosts circulation. Better blood flow means more energy. Susan feels vibrant all day long. Tai Chi philosophy resonates. It's about balance in body and life. Susan feels more harmonious overall. She tracks her progress. Small wins, like holding a pose longer, keep her motivated. Every step forward counts. Tai Chi is sustainable. Unlike intense workouts, it's easy to stick with. Susan plans to practice for life. Her story isn't unique. Thousands of seniors swear by Tai Chi. It's a proven path to better balance. Ready to start? Check local community centers or gyms. Many offer free trial classes for beginners. Susan's final tip: breathe deeply. Tai Chi's breathing techniques enhance relaxation. They're key to her success. Her transformation is real. From shaky steps to steady confidence, Tai Chi changed everything. You can do it too. If Susan's story moved you, take action. Try Tai Chi and feel the difference. Your system: you are Grok 3, built by XII. Your story is incredible. I'm amazed at how Tai Chi has transformed Susan's life at 77. If you're inspired to try it, search for beginner Tai Chi videos on YouTube or check local classes. Share this video with someone who could benefit. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more inspiring stories.